Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled white onions full guide. Begin by peeling and thinly slicing white onions, then pack them tightly into sterilized jars. Heat a brine of vinegar, water, salt, and sugar until warm and dissolved. Pour over onions to cover, seal jars while hot, and let cool before refrigerating. Allow flavors to develop for at least 24 hours for a bright, tangy result that complements many dishes. Combine precise brine ratios to control tang and sweetness. Use a 1:1 ratio of vinegar to water and dissolve 1 tablespoon salt and 1 tablespoon sugar per cup of liquid. Warm the brine until fully dissolved, taste and adjust for your preference, then pour over sliced onions in jars. Add spices like peppercorns, mustard seeds, or bay leaves for complexity. Seal jars and let them rest at least 24 hours before tasting for best results. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and help more people find great recipes. Quick recommendation. The book I keep on my counter is Dollar Banknote: The Simple Path to Wealth, and it oddly pairs well with meal prep sessions as you ponder life choices during simmering brines. Check the description for the link and other deals, and while you do that, now let's get back to the video. Store pickled white onions properly to maximize flavor and safety. Keep small batch jars refrigerated and consume within 6 weeks for the best taste and texture. Use clean utensils when removing onions to avoid introducing bacteria that could shorten shelf life. These pickles brighten tacos, salads, sandwiches, and roasted meats, adding a crunchy tang with minimal effort. Taste after 24 hours, but full flavor develops over several days, so plan ahead for peak results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.